Hey everyone, how are you doing today? Welcome to the video series on Apache Kafka, and today we are going to see how we can connect a particular Apache Kafka consumer to multiple topics in Kafka. Most often than not, it's the Apache Kafka consumers that has more complex logic as compared to producers. And consumers are something with which you can do multiple permutations and combinations in Apache Kafka. So let's go ahead and see how we can associate one particular consumer with multiple topics as you can see in this particular picture right now. So here is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna use Kafka console scripts to create multiple topics, create producers for those topics, create consumers which can listen to these topics, and then while using a simple Python code, I'll show you how you can receive data from multiple topics. So let's go ahead and see the screen right now. So at this moment of time, there are no Kafka topics. Okay, so let me create Kafka topic, create minus topic. First topic is YouTube, and YouTube is created. Let me create another topic called videos. Videos is created, and if you go ahead and list it, so now you can see that two topics are created, videos and YouTube. Let me create a console producer for both the topics. So I am creating console producer for YouTube and console producer for videos. So let me first confirm that this setup is working. So in YouTube I am transferring 1, 2, 3, and in videos I am transferring A, B, C. So you can see that I am able to receive data from my Kafka topic. Now you might ask that why I haven't subscribed to two topics in my one console consumer. Unfortunately, with console consumers, this is not possible. If it is possible in some other way, I am not aware of that. But directly, it's not possible with the Kafka console consumer to subscribe to more than one topic. And that's the precise reason I have created a very simple Python code. Let's go ahead and see the Python code. So in this particular Python code, I am using Confluent Kafka and I am importing consumer and changing the group to latest and subscribing to two topics over here. The topic is YouTube and videos, and in here I am waiting for messages to be received. So if I just get the screen like this, and if I just pass something 4, 5, 6, 7, we are getting data from YouTube topic, and D, E, F, G. I am getting data also from my videos topic. So you have seen that a particular Kafka consumer can subscribe to more than one topics, and it can receive data from all the topics. Okay, of course, when you create multiple partitions of those topics, this particular consumer will attach to only one partition of that particular topic. Right now in both the topics, YouTube as well as videos, it has only one partition. That's why it is receiving all the data. But in case if you have more partitions, if you are not aware of partitions, see my previous video on this particular series. So if you have more partition, this particular consumer will attach itself to one partition in YouTube topic and one partition in videos topic. So it is going to receive all the data that is coming to those partitions. So in this particular video, I have shown you two topics, but this is not a limitation. You can subscribe to more than two topics. Okay. So that's all about how you can use a single consumers to connect to multiple topics in Apache Kafka. Thank you all. Thanks for watching. We will definitely meet again. Until the next time we meet, good day, goodbye. You take care.